Open the Hexa Battery Exchange app. Click to scan the QR code to rent electricity. After scanning the cabinet machine QR code, the cabinet door opens. Remove the ejected battery. Close the warehouse door and complete the electricity rental. Click on Scan Code to change battery in the Hexa Battery Swapping app. After scanning the cabinet machine QR code, the compartment door opens. Close the compartment door after inserting an empty battery. Battery detection successful. Fully charged battery pops up. Remove the fully charged battery. Close the compartment door and complete the battery replacement. Click on Package Details in the Hexa Battery Swapping app. Click to return the battery. Scan the cabinet machine QR code. Eject the empty compartment of the cabinet machine and insert the battery. Close the warehouse door and complete the power off.